Hello everyone, thanks for watching. Today we're going to review the NPET keyboard. It is the WK10 keyboard. It came in this box and it is a basic black keyboard that we're reviewing today. At the time of this video, that you can get this keyboard on Amazon for $16.99. So super cheap, great price for what you get. Also, I wanted to talk about, on the website it says that the hotkeys does not work with the Mac system. So if you have a Mac, then it's not going to work the same. Okay, so this is what the front looks like. And then this is a wireless keyboard. And this is what the back looks like. There's a little opening. It has a cap on it. I took it off. It takes AAA batteries, one AAA battery, and then it comes with this little USB to make it wireless. And yeah, so you just need one AAA battery for. Okay, so I hooked it up to my MacBook Pro, and I have this adapter that I use. And you plug in the USB into the adapter, and then you have to make sure that your battery is in the back. You can adjust this so it can tilt if you'd like. It doesn't tilt a whole bunch, just a little bit. And then a little red light will appear, and on the computer it'll prompt you to push a couple of buttons and get connected. And then you can just use this keyboard right here to type, like on pages or something, which I think is a great option because like right now our spacebar keeps getting stuck, and so when we have to type a lot it gets super annoying. So we like to use a different keyboard because our spacebar is broken. So that's another option if you have a MacBook Pro and you just don't like the way it types. This one has more, it's pretty quiet, but it feels like you're typing more like a keyboard. Anyways, we really like it for that, and it's super easy to set up. It takes a AAA battery, and that's it. And then just use this little USB that it comes with it, and just stick it into an adapter to go into the MacBook Pro if you don't have a USB on your MacBook Pro. Ours is a newer edition. So it has a little cheat sheet right here. So FN is audio, volume down, volume up, mute, previous track, next track, play, pause, stop, homepage, email, my computer, and favorites. And here are they even have little symbols so that you can help you out a little bit. And the FN button is down here. So it's really simple to use. Here's the layout of it. So in the user manual, it says that it has a 33-foot wireless range for both the mouse and the keyboard, which is nice. It's also water resistant, protects against liquid spills, and it has automatic sleep power saving mode, so it can keep your battery life a little bit longer, which is great. Hope you guys found this video review helpful. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave it down below. Also, I will leave a link to the product down in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.